Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 26th of February 2021 and we're here for nursery reception year 1 and year 2 shout outs for our first week back after half term, and all of you guys have been working so hard, posting loads and loads on Tapestry in that first week back after half term. You have been amazing, and we'll see these guys. I'm going to start off this morning with Miss Howkins' class. Look at Miss Howkins. We've got Rosie, we've got Gino, Daria, Tyler, Esme, Sky, Rebecca, Muntaha, Esme, Levi and Jordan, all working so hard that first week back. Phenomenal shout outs there. Sky, really pleased your book turned up and your certificate. Sorry about that, but I'm glad you got it in there. I know it's a little bit disappointed, but I'm really pleased you were able to get that in the end. But all of you guys, whatever that is, whether that's your spellings, your maths, your reading, whatever you are doing at home, please do keep it up. We've got one more week and then we'll all be back on Monday the 8th, and can't wait to see you guys. So really well done, all of you in Miss Howkins' class. Thank you guys. Good shout outs this morning. Moving on. Oh, look at this turtle class. Look, Miss Arnold's giving some shout outs to Bailey, Domas, Alfie, James, Emily and Beatrix. Oh, superstars. Absolute turtle superstars. A brilliant effort from these reception children, working so hard and getting on with everyone, being kind, looking out for everyone, which is really important as well throughout this lockdown. We've got one more week to go, guys, and then we will see you all Monday the 8th. Okay, looking forward to that. Really well done. Moving on. Look out, Miss Begum's shout outs. Look at the work that's gone on this week. We've got Anna Maria, Rebecca, Noah, Beatrix, Scarlett B, Sophie, Bartos, Noah, Danelius, Jack, Vitteris, Gracie May and Caden. Oh, amazing. Vitteris, look at all those books you've been reading. Amazing, buddy. Sophie, writing going on there, getting a bit of exercise outside. Well done, Noah. Really good to see as well. Jack, love your experiment. Look at this. Hey, look at that. Your science experiment is amazing. Look at the height of that cola. That is brilliant, Jack. I love that experiment there. Bartos out, getting some exercise as well. Really love to see all of that work going on. We've got one more week of it. I know Miss Begum's really proud of you all, and she cannot wait to see you all on Monday the 8th of March. So looking forward to that, guys. Well done. Now moving on to nursery. Here we go. Oh, look at Miss Wright's nursery superstars. Guys, thank you so much. The smiles on your faces are making me smile as well and keeping us going. Arafat, Aidan, Rafaela, Zachariah, Nella, Sonila, Max and Sebastian. Look at that. Guys, amazing work, big smiles on your face. And I know you're working so hard at home, and some of you are at school. Look at Nella as well, big smile there. Thank you guys, working so independently, helping out at home, being kind, looking out for everyone. It's lovely to see, and trying to work as hard as you can. Really impressive. Hopefully again, I know Miss Wright's looking forward to seeing us all together again on Monday the 8th, so looking forward to that. Well done, guys. Moving on. Oh, look at these super sharks, these reception super sharks. Look at them, look. Luz, Ollie, Georgia, Willow, Alinka and Elizabeth. Oh, super sharps, writing, doing maths. Look at the maths going on here. Out and about forest schools as well, just working so hard. I know Elizabeth really helping out with mummy and daddy at home and being really independent. Thank you so much. All of you working super hard. Keep that up, and then we will see everyone, see all those sharks on Monday the 8th of March. Looking forward to it, guys. Keep it up. Well done. Thank you. Moving on, here we go. Oh, look out for completing work every day. Every day. This is phenomenal. Look, we've got Alex, Eliza, Woody, Orson, Olivia and Logan. I know Miss Marshall's very impressed with you guys and the work that you are doing at home. Look at that writing. Look at the maths. Again, more writing going on. It is phenomenal for those year 1. So thank you so much. I know Miss Marshall is very proud of you all. So thank you. One more week of that. Let's keep that up, please, because that standard is amazing. So thank you. Final shout out, I think we got Mrs. Cook. Here we go. Look at Mrs. Cook's shout outs. Massive page of these where these guys have been working so hard at home. We've got Dovis, Rosie, Luna, Casper, Rion, Mia May, Jake, Ebony, Lee and Gabby. Guys, look at you. Heads down, working feverishly. Mrs. Cook is so impressed with you year 2s. It's brilliant. Well done, guys, because you are all brilliant. So thank you so much, all of you, and keep up that work. One more week, and hopefully we will see you all on that Monday the 8th, okay? Well done, which is my final message here, really. Well done, everyone. Looking forward to seeing everyone on Monday the 8th of March. One more week to go, guys. Keep it up, keep working hard, and we will see you all then. Until then, bye-bye.